come back in New Caledonia.
In this video we are separate. Carlos is now a solo sailor in Malaysia and I come back in New Caledonia.
For a couple of months, with me you are not going to sail, but we are going to work. Je vous rassure, vous n'allez pas me suivre dans mes rendez-vous un peu ennuyeux. Vous allez juste venir avec moi voir différents spectacles, différentes expositions. I have two projects. One is a short movie and the other one is a short dance. So you are going to follow me in my artistic research. I forgot to tell you that I create a magic screen. Look at that. So with this magic screen, we will be able to see Carlos, you can see, from New Caledonia. And I create one for him too, so he has one with him. Look at that.
But I am clicked, Elinda, I am clicked. And here we are getting wet and getting showers. Hello, squall. I'm on my way to Pancor on a 300 nautical miles passage, plan to do it in 3-day trips and 1 overnight. In this area is either motoring because no wind or squall after squall. Now we have a squall.
Alors cette première exposition m'a beaucoup touchée. Il y avait beaucoup de choses que j'ai écrites dans mon spectacle que je retrouvais dans cette exposition. Hello everybody! So I am in New Caledonia and I'm going to see again exposition of artists. I loved it last week and I come again to see because it's very inspired for my show. Bonjour! La Nouvelle-Calédonie me touche beaucoup parce que, comme toutes les cultures du Pacifique, je crois qu'on est très proche de la nature. Dans nos chants, nos danses, tout a un lien avec la nature, la terre, l'océan. On a aussi une dimension spirituelle avec des masques. Là aussi, dans mon spectacle, j'ai envie d'exploiter l'idée du masque. Donc c'est un rapport au théâtre. Et dans cette exposition, les machines faisait face directement à une matière végétale. On rentre carrément dans l'infiniment petit avec cette formation de cellules, les chromosomes. Peut-être parce que l'évolution de la Nouvelle-Calédonie a été bouleversée par la colonisation. De ce fait, je crois que on se pose peut-être plus de questions sur la voie que l'on prend.
It's not really interesting, but I'm going to the toilet, and the toilet is in the past it was where the horses was. I show you.
I suggest to have a break and see what Carlos is doing now.
5:30 a.m. Let's start the day. Anchor up. Here we go. Mirni and I have 60 nautical miles to go, and oh my god, my English at this time of the time is not good. At this time of the morning. See you later. I have put one reef in the main because there are always squalls all the time. So when the squall comes, the reef is on, that's it, I don't have to think. Put the genoa in or put a reef in the genoa, whatever, and we are safe. There are northwest winds coming very soon, so I have to try to make this distance before that happens. Last night I had a very bad night because at anchor a squall came in, a big squall, and I was worried about dragging anchor or something. So tonight I have to go now for a 30 hours run and I'm very tired. but the problem is I was thinking about drifting, just not putting everything down because I have no sails right now, but switching the engine off and just drifting. But then look at how many boats we have in this area. The plan still to cross to Europe, and the window is very small. So if we choose the option of going to Europe through the Suez Canal, that could look something like this to us. The journey starts in January from Phuket on a 10-day passage to Sri Lanka and 1100 nautical miles. The second leg will take us from Sri Lanka to Djibouti through the Gulf of Eden, unfortunately known by its piracy attacks in the past. The passage keeps going north for 1300 nautical miles, planned to do it in short steps, passing countries like Eritrea, Sudan and Egypt until the Suez Canal. So this whole Indian Ocean crossing is best to do it from January to March with the northeast monsoon and arriving more or less in the Mediterranean around April. So let's see what Linda is doing.
It doesn't look like, but I'm working. We went in a show of theater, so it's not professional people who are playing, but it's a friend who is the teacher. And at the end of the year they make a show. It was very friendly and interesting, of course.
The first exercise may seem strange from the outside, but it helps the actor to make himself available to any situation. The second exercise is a play that they worked in 2 months.
C'est à toi que je pense. N'est-ce pas, Solange? C'est tout à fait vrai.
Alors, les impressions?
Écoute, très bien, très heureux, très content. Voilà, c'est fait, c'est bien.
Oh là où ça devient dur. Hein. Bah oui, ah, tu aimes la caméra. Bah toi, t'es bien fait ta mère. Hein. C'était bien le spectacle? Oui. I was doing a little tortilla, thinking about Carlos. I enjoy spending time in the library and then head to a giant puppet show from Quebec that I was not allowed to film.
Getting hit by school again. I am in a washing machine and the seas became rough. No dramas, noises everywhere. So after the squall, looks like there is a little bit of wind, 13-14 knots, which it allows us to sail, which is great. I'm starting to be a little bit tired now. I've been doing micro sleeps for 15-20 minutes, but it's not enough. Now it's like 1 a.m. and I can feel I'm getting tired and tired. I'm gonna go for another micro siesta. "13 nautical miles to arrive. I cannot wait." This rain is absolutely crazy and very dangerous. I see nothing. I'm with radar, AIS. It's absolutely crazy. Drone time. finally arriving to Pancor Marina, where I will make the anti-fall for the boat. So another squall came. This time we are in the marina, but still like this, from where the direction of the waves is coming is still not good. So we are gonna try to put as many fenders as we can, and as soon as the squall is over, we will try to move the boat.
Waiting for the wave to go down, and we're guiding your boat.
Coming over to give you a hand, but you're already on your way.
I'll see you later, but not yet.
Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. And see you next week.